Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best automotive touch-up paints that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to repair scratches and chips on your car like a pro, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Car Paint Scratch Repair Touch-Up Paint Pen by U-Bog. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $6.99, making it the most affordable touch-up paint on our list. Designed for quick fixes, it's perfect for drivers who want a simple solution to cover up small scratches and chips without spending a fortune. The U-Bog Touch-Up Paint Pen features a straightforward design with a glossy black finish. It's easy to use. Just clean the area, shake the pen for about a minute, and apply the paint in layers if necessary. It dries quickly, usually within 10 minutes, making it a convenient option for quick touch-ups. However, while it's effective at sealing scratches and preventing rust, some users have noted that the color match isn't always perfect, especially on cars with unique or faded paint jobs. This product is ideal for car owners looking for a low-cost, temporary fix for minor imperfections. While it lacks advanced features like UV resistance or a clear coat finish, it's a great pick for those on a tight budget. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while cons include limited durability and occasional color mismatches. If you're looking for a quick, economical solution, the U-Bog Touch-Up Paint Pen gets the job done. At number 4, we have the Duplicolor ATY1556 Scratch Fix All-in-One Touch-Up Paint Pen. Known for its exact match technology, this product is designed to provide a factory-quality finish for Toyota vehicles, specifically in the Super White 2 color. One of the standout features of this pen is its dual-action design. It includes an abrasive tip to remove loose paint and rust, a precision pen tip for fine scratches, and a brush applicator for larger chips, all in one tool. The clear coat is built into the applicator, making it easy to seal and protect your repairs. It's also chip-resistant and dries quickly, ensuring a durable finish. However, at just 0.25 ounces, the amount of paint included may not be sufficient for larger jobs. This product is ideal for Toyota owners seeking an exact color match and a professional finish. It's easy to use and highly versatile, but may not be the best value for non-Toyota vehicles or for those needing more paint. Pros include its precise application and built-in clear coat, while cons include limited paint volume and a higher price point. If you want a reliable, high-quality product for Toyota touch-ups, the Duplicolor Scratch Fix Pen is a strong contender. And finally, at the top spot, we have the White Car Paint Touch-Up Pen by Automotive, priced at $12.99. This premium option is packed with advanced features that make it worth every penny. With a high-gloss finish and exact color matching for 90% of white cars, this product is designed for professional-level repairs. The Automotive Touch-Up Pen features a versatile 2-in-1 design with a metal tip for small chips and a brush for larger scratches. It's quick-drying, UV-resistant, and waterproof, ensuring long-lasting protection even in harsh conditions. The application process is straightforward. Just clean the area, shake the pen, and apply the paint. It dries in just 10 minutes, and its fade-resistant formula ensures your touch-up work stays looking fresh. Users have praised its excellent coverage and seamless blending with original paint. This product is ideal for car owners who want a high-quality, durable solution for white vehicles. Pros include its precise application, long-lasting finish, and ease of use, while the only real con is its slightly higher price point. If you're looking for the best touch-up paint on the market, the Automotive White Touch-Up Pen is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy driving and happy repairing.